Hello, today I'm going to be checking out a virus that I made in Python. And this virus, it only infects other Python files. And it's called Virus.py. And this is the uncompressed source version. And there's a deinfector file here. So let's run it and see if it works. Because in previous versions, it would infect all the library files and cause Python to break. And I don't want that to happen. I only want it to infect other files, not the library files. Okay, so right now it's looking through all the system, and I think it did everything. Well, let's see, because if you notice, deinfect, the file size went up. All of my sacrifice files, the files went up, but not these hidden sacrifice files. It looks like it did what it was supposed to, and it did not get the Python library files. If we go into the site packages directory, this file got infected. And that's on purpose, because it's very easy to defeat this virus. So probably how it would spread is through library files. But don't worry, I'm not going to release this. But anyways, let's have a look at a stage 1 file. You notice there's now this hashtag start and hashtag end block. And this code is what was originally there. And now it executes this decompressed binary string, which is actually the code in virus.py. And the good thing about using exec is that the functions won't show up. So if someone's using Visual Studio, it will not have a lot of mysterious new functions like infect or payload. And then we'll run this one which generates Pythagorean theorems. And look, it's doing what it says. And there should not be very much of a noticeable performance drop, because it starts it in a new thread. However, there will be a lot of disk activity. If I press enter, it was actually done. And if we notice, uninfected's file size has now gone up. And look, now it too is infected. And if we change uninfected 2, this is uninfected, and we run uninfected 1, it too is now infected. Since this is a very clean installation of Windows 7, there are not a lot of files, so it gets it done very quickly. But now there's a payload that should happen if the second is 0. I didn't have a lot of time to figure out what the payload should be. It's just a very small message box. Okay, so I'm going to try to run uninfected.py as soon as we get to 0. 9, 0. Alright, so we did it at the right time, and the payload is really stupid and small. It's just a message box informing you that you have a virus. Okay, let's show the disinfect file. However, first I need to manually edit it, because it too got infected during stage 0. So I'll just comment it out. And the interesting thing about this, just commenting it out, it prevents you from being infected, because it still has the start and end blocks. Yes, I know, it's a really bad virus. Alright, so now it's there. It uninfected all of our files. And thank you for watching.